Industrial automation has a long and evolving history, with early developments dating back to the 18th and 19th centuries. The early days of industrial automation were characterized by the use of mechanical devices and systems to automate simple, repetitive tasks in manufacturing and production processes. With the advent of electricity and advancements in electronics, the 20th century saw the rise of more sophisticated automated systems such as programmable logic controllers (PLCs) and numerical control (NC) machines. The introduction of computers in the latter half of the 20th century further revolutionized industrial automation, enabling more complex and flexible control systems. The growth of the Internet and advancements in artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning (ML) have paved the way for the latest generation of industrial automation systems, which are characterized by increased intelligence, real-time connectivity, and advanced analytics capabilities. Overall, industrial automation has played a critical role in driving productivity and efficiency gains in a wide range of industries and continues to evolve and impact the way goods are manufactured and produced.